Hello, my friends. It is time. I'm very excited. This is a fun club set that is very, very general in theme, and it's going to get every single person on your card making list because it is so awesome. Now, it's called Lighthouse to Stamp, and look at how fantastic it is. It has this cute little house on the outside, and it says, "You light up my life. Happy birthday. You light up my day. Always look on the bright side. Shine bright." And it has a cute little cloud, and it has some fun little birdies over here. Now, club members, yours are already on their way to you. Ken gets up extra early, and he gets those out in the mail ASAP to you. Now, those of you that are in the Stamp Club are getting the Stamp Club, the stamp set. Those of you that are in the Die Hard Club, which is our most popular club, you're getting the same stamps and the dies that match. Now, I added in a couple extra clouds because you can never have too many clouds, right? And you want different sizes, different shapes. So I added in more of those, and you get the cute little house, and the cute little lighthouse, and the little birdies to do as well. Now, if you're not in the club, you need to join ASAP. You know why? Because this is freebie month. What do I mean by freebie month? I mean that as a little extra goodie that we like to do for our club members, we are including in this month's shipment, dun, 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 this cute little mini stamp set that says, "Let's get a," and you can do coffee or you can do donut. And these cute little fun little sprinkles down here are sprinkles for the donut. Isn't that fantastic? Now, if you're in the club, you're automatically going to get these. You don't have to do anything. They're just going to come with your shipment. If you're not in the club, join ASAP, because if we have any of these left, and I think we have a few left, if you join this month, you will also get that as well. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Now, you can be in the club for as little as $11.95 a month, and that includes the new stamp set each month. So exciting. Now, I have some wonderful fun samples to share with you. This one uses the 5x7 shadow box that I designed for HSN. If there's any left, you can go to hsn.com and get it. But look at how gorgeous that is. Of course, it folds flat for mailing. You can open it up and look at how beautiful. I love it. I love it. Now, here's a fun one. This one is using our markers on glossy paper. Isn't that fantastic? I love that. Here's a cute bookmark, Shine Bright. Wouldn't that be wonderful to give to somebody? Shine Bright. I love that. Now, here's a cute one using our little mini whales. I love that one. Now, I want you to notice how different each of these lighthouses look. Even though it's the same stamp each time, they all look completely different. This one, this designer added stripes to it, and I love that diagonal. Now, if you don't want to color, and you're like, "Oh, I'm not a colorer," that's okay. You could do just stamp on white and color in just the windows. Or if you wanted a gray lighthouse, stamp on gray and just color in the windows. And then the rest of the lighthouse is already done. Isn't that fantastic? Now, here's another one with different stripes. Look at the difference in the two stripes. Isn't that fun? I love that. So diagonal stripes or regular horizontal stripes. Now, this one is also on, dun, 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 dun. You know I love my flip-its. I love flip-its. Now, here's another one. This one is just lightly colored on the edges. And then here's another one. And I love those little birdies. Aren't those little birdies adorable? They're just like little seagulls flying in the sky. Now, those of you that are in the club, yours are already on their way to you. Start watching and stalking that mailman, okay? Now, if you're not in the club, again, join ASAP because you want to get in on that freebie set. Now, if I went too fast on any of those samples, go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, and you can see our online gallery of all those samples up close and personal. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you click the subscribe button so you get notifications anytime we release a new video or new products. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.